नहीं सर, ये मेरे मेरे लाइफ में 3 पिलर्स है मेडिकल फील्ड में। इसके मैं उनके ऊपर ऐसे लाइक वो पिलर से मैं गिर जाता हूँ तो बचाते हैं, लाइक यू डॉक्टर या यू डॉक्टर दीपक मवाया एंड डॉक्टर नाजिब 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 आई लाइक
नाज़िम।
इन होल 5 years I watched every videos of him, like he's like hero for me. My name is Abhijit Sanjay Vimanpalli. I studied in Philippines, University of Northern Philippines. I got the score of 227 in FMG June 2008 2021.
Wow, many, many congrats, Dr. Abhijit. How does it feel?
It feels good, but my ultimate goal is to achieve. I got the name as a doctor, but I want in the front of doctor as a good doctor. That's
That's
my ultimate goal.
That's the spirit, and it's very good that we are talking on Doctors' Day. And you want to be a good doctor because, yes, I mean, all of us want to be a good doctor, but then at the same time, that zeal and that ambition really, really matters. So, Abhijit, I'll ask you some questions with respect to your preparation. Like, I was just talking to a couple of doctors from Philippines, and they told me that from fourth year only, you have 36-hour duties. So, I mean, if in fourth year there's 36-hour duties, then how do you manage to study the subjects? I mean, it must be very tiring.
No, for us, we for our batch is got divided into 16 hours, sir.
But still 16 hours at a stretch, it must be taxing. I mean, what kind of work do you have to do on those 16 hours? Is it observership or do you have to do intervention also?
Yeah, we have to do intervention and taking history,
Okay.
everything. We performed a surgery also.
Oh, great, 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 great,
Yeah,
great. So they give you access to the minor OT.
yeah, minor routine like appendectomy, cholecystectomy. We
Oh,
did
okay.
this all.
So you get to assist
Yeah,
in the major OT
yeah,
also, and oh,
major.
great.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. No, that's a very good experience because right from a fourth year, when you are actually, maybe even if you're standing holding a retractor, you still get to learn a lot. So,
yeah.
Doctor, my next query to you here is like, you have been a student of Prep Ladder. So, like, how did you use the app per se for your preparation? I mean, can you give us some insights regarding how did you start your preparation? When did you start your preparation?
I started my preparation in June 2020. I started
Okay.
my preparation. Yeah, then it's my second attempt. I'm giving this exam. First attempt I got 136.
Okay.
मैं I क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्वेश्चन छूट गए थे, पेपर बहुत लेंदी लगा था मुझे। 50
Mhm.
क्वेश्चन छूट गए थे फर्स्ट हाफ में। उसकी
Oh,
वजह से सेकंड हाफ भी चला गया था। सेकंड हाफ उसकी ही टेंशन में सेकंड हाफ भी अच्छा नहीं गया।
okay. 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 तो फिर वो आपने वो 136 से मतलब अब तो आपका स्कोर इज लाइक 200 प्लस। तो वो जो आपने जो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 100 मार्क्स का इंक्रीमेंट है, ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 100 मार्क्स इंक्रीज किया आपने।
या
तो वो जो जर्नी था मतलब उसमें मतलब व्हाट आर द
वो
सब्जेक्ट?
लाइक वो उसमें सर मैंने 10 सब्जेक्ट वो मेन वीडियो में से मैंने किया था। वो मेन और बचे हुए सब्जेक्ट ने 9 सब्जेक्ट मैंने इसमें से किया था रैपिड रिवीजन में से।
रैपिड रिविजन से। ओके, ओके, ओके।
या
So, what is the best feature of the Prep Ladder app that you like?
like 1.5 speed, that's very helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good. That will not be get in when you join the live classes.
Yes, yes. It
हम
will
लाइव
become
क्लासेस ज्वाइन करते हैं ना, तब नहीं हो सकता है। वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है वो चीज़। और
exactly,
टाइम भी बचता है उससे।
exactly, exactly. You tend to cover more. I mean,
हाँ,
50% आपको time extra मिल जाएगा for your revision से। Okay, okay.
रिवीजन।
So, your assessment of this paper, was it easy? Was it difficult? Was it moderate? I mean, how would you rate this paper?
एज़ एवरेज फॉर मी, एवरेज पूरा क्लिनिकल पेपर था, पूरा क्लिनिकल। फर्स्ट हाफ एंड सेकंड हाफ।
Absolutely, absolutely.
या पूरा क्लिनिकल था, इसीलिए इतने आए मेरे।
नहीं, नहीं, good, good, good. Very nice, very nice. So, what
I
do you
did
think?
not even read the question. I did not even read the question. I just focusing on the main important words. And I'm
Yes.
I'm looking at the last answer, what he's asking for me. Is it there, except is there or not?
Okay, okay. No, that's a very good approach. I think that you have to focus on the key points and then look for accept or not, so that you can get to the
हाँ,
right answer. True, doc.
right answer.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, like in the clinical subjects in prep ladder, I mean, which are the subjects that you really focused a lot on? I mean, obviously, medicine, surgery, OBGY, ENT, everything you would be trying to do, but which is something that you read a lot?
One is medicine. I did it like 5 times.
Wow.
4 times
Okay.
I watched the video.
Okay.
Yeah,
What?
medicine, surgery.
Okay.
Yeah, surgery from the rapid revision.
Okay.
And third, that like pharma, patho
Very
and
nice.
pharma.
Okay, great, great, great. So,
Yes,
like
sir.
once you focused
Mm.
on the subjects, you were able to understand, and then you were able to get the gist of the questions and solve them. So, in last 1 month, can you give us an idea regarding what were you focusing on? I mean, in last 1 month also, were you reading medicine, surgery, or did you try to cover other subjects also?
I I try to cover मोस्ट फोकस मैंने ज़्यादा फोकस किया था क्लिनिकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए।
Okay,
क्लिनिकल क्वेश्चन जितना क्लिनिकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो उतना फोकस वो मैंने किया था उसके ऊपर।
okay, and mock test दिए आपने prep ladder के?
Yeah, when I was attending for first time in December, I gave almost like 7 to 8. But this time when I attend, I gave just 4 and 5. 5 mock tests I gave in last 6 months.
Okay. Okay, here Abhijit, मुझे ये बताओ कि like when you give a mock test, sometimes the score is very good and you tend to get very good marks. Like some days, you know, someday you might get 170, 180, and sometimes it might be 130 also, sometimes. So like जिस दिन
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
130 आता है, 140 आता है, उस दिन, I mean, how do you motivate yourself?
नहीं मार्क्स के ऊपर पूरा डिपेंड नहीं रहता था मैं। मैं
Okay,
जैसे कुछ मेरे गलती जहाँ पे गलती हुई ना, वहाँ पे फ़ोकस करता था। और वो जब मार्क्स कम आते थे ना, तो मैं रिव्यू कैसे करता था, 50 क्वेश्चन पहले आज करता था। पूरा क्वेश्चन करने का मन नहीं करता था मार्क्स कम आए तो। तो 50 क्वेश्चन आज करता था, नेक्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन कल, ऐसे 1 वीक में पूरा मैं खत्म कर देता था पूरा रिव्यू करके।
yes, that's a very important point for all of the future aspirants and your juniors, that whenever you give a mock test, don't get affected by the marks, but follow what Abhijit is saying, that, you know, whatever questions that have gone wrong, you need to revise them. Like even if you do it in parts, like 20, 30, 40, 50, like he used to do in block of 50 questions every day. So you ensure the fact that you are able to do those questions so that you can remove your mistakes and you can know. And I think most of the problems are silly mistakes only, Abhishek. Abhijit, I
या
think you would agree to that.
या सर, सिली मिस्टेक्स ही होते हैं।
क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली इतना पढ़ लिया कि इट्स अनलाइकली कि लैक ऑफ नॉलेज की वजह से किसी को इशू होगा. व्हेन यू स्टडी सो हार्ड, देन इट इज मेनली सिली मिस्टेक्स दैट कंट्रीब्यूट टू प्रॉब्लम्स.
या सर, या
Abhijit, I'm really proud of you, your achievements, and I would like to congratulate you once again. Congratulate your parents also, so that I mean, and obviously, I salute your spirit of being a good and a better doctor, and I wish you the very best for your future career.
थैंक यू सर। आज सबको मैं बताऊँगा कि भगवान से बात हो गई है
अरे
मेडिसिन।
नहीं 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 नहीं,
लाइक
भाई.
लाइक मैं
इंसान
इन माय
इंसान
लाइफ
इंसान रहने दो यार.
नहीं सर, ये मेरे मेरे लाइफ में 3 पिलर्स है मेडिकल फील्ड में। इसके मैं उनके ऊपर ऐसे लाइक वो पिलर्स है, मैं गिर जाता हूँ तो बचाते हैं। लाइक यू डॉक्टर दीपक मवाया एंड डॉक्टर नाज़िब। नाज़िब आई लाइक
नाज़िम.
इन होल 5 इयर्स आई वॉच एवरी वीडियोज़ ऑफ हिम। लाइक ही इज़ लाइक हीरो फॉर मी। ये 3 पिलर और द डॉक्टर आज़म एंड
Okay,
एनाटॉमी के दे 3
anatomy.
पिलर्स ऑफ माय लाइफ। या
Great, great. It's been very nice talking to you, doctor, and I wish you the very best for your future, and convey my regards to your parents as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I want to tell you one thing, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
One like 2 3 months before, I asked the number of viewers to prep ladder. They said it we will not able to give the number to you.
My
I
number.
had some doubt. Yeah. I
Oh,
had some
my
doubt.
my number is available on the internet. You just type my phone number. You will get in the search result, doctor. You don't need to call prep ladder for
तो
that.
I thought मुझे लगा था कि मुझे नहीं मिलेगी, इसलिए मैंने पूछा था उनको।
Okay, okay, okay. No, no,
या
it's available. It's my email, it's my phone number, my email, everything is available on the internet. You can just search and you'll get it. and you can call me anytime, doc. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। थैंक यू सर।
Thanks, Abhijit.
ओके,
Thanks.
ओके।
Take care.
टेक केयर
Bye
सर,
bye.
टेक केयर यू। बाय
Bye.
बाय।
Bye.